Hey guys, messy bun tutorial on the side because I like to do this especially when I wear a hat. So I figured I'd show you how to do it. You're going to choose a hair tie that matches your hair color. Now clearly this doesn't, but I'm doing this so you can see where the placement goes and whatever. If I used one that matched my hair, it would be a little bit more difficult to see. So you put your hat on, baseball hat, fedora, whatever hat you like, put it on. Take your hair, pull it around, stretch your band out, pull your hair through it once, twice, and just let it hang. Then with the rest of your hair, you pull it forward, right? And you're literally just going to tuck this back into the band here. Okay, so see how I'm pulling it out? And I'm just going to start tucking the hair in. And of course, my nail has to get in the way. So you're going to pull it in and you're going to start messing with the bun. Pieces will fall. Don't worry about it. Just keep tucking them back in. Tuck them, tuck them. This is a messy bun, so it's okay for it to look a little messy. Just keep tucking back into the band. I would probably spray this piece just so that it's not crazy. Then I pull these pieces down just a little bit. Messy bun. Again, the hair tie is not matching my hair color just so that I can show you guys. So little messy bun. Now how cute would this look with a summer fedora hat, shoulderless top, so like, you know, you can see your shoulders. So I'm going to try to show you here. So okay, picture like one of those cute summer shirts and this tucked back in. Lori, get it right, right? Is that what you're saying to yourself? Okay, let's try it. You just tuck it. It's just messy, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. So here you go with your strapless top, a cute little summer hat, a tan, a cute little pair of earrings. How simple. That's all I do, guys. So I hope this answers your question. And the key is just to enjoy it. Make it loose, make it fun, make it messy. Messy bun. Hope you liked it. Bye, guys.